Alright guys, real quick. I just got a thing in the mail here. This is the Servo buddy, so I wanted to quickly show you how to install that. This shouldn't take longer than probably a couple of minutes, so this will be a real short video. So first things first, as usual, turn that. We got to take the back seat off, or the bottom seat off, and then this top seat off here. So that shouldn't take too long. There we go. One seat off. And then pull this down, this up, pull it, and there we go. So to install this Servo buddy, basically there's two plugs in here that are not connected to anything, and that's where it plugs into, and that's it. It's literally that simple. So inside this bag, I'm gonna have to set y'all down for a second. Let's see if we can get you right here. Yeah, feels like they use a glue on this damn thing. All right. Ride safe, it says. Y'all can't barely read it. It says, hi, Lauren, something for the Kawasaki, ride safe. I don't know if that's Michelle or Michael. We'll find out. Anyways, so this is basically all it is. You got two plugs, they're the OEM plugs. And what this little thing does, now this is the VisiTech one. They have their website advertised on it, so if you want to check it out, there you go. And all you do is just plug it right in, that's it. So we're gonna bring this over here so y'all can see it. So these things have little latches, and that's basically all there is to it. Figure out where the latch goes on this one. Okay. Here we go. Boom, snapped in. And then this last one snaps into this one right here. Figure out what side it goes this way. Okay. Now y'all can't barely see what I'm doing in here, but it's because it's rubber gasket. Let me see if I can get that rubber gasket off. It ain't gonna be as easy as it looks, obviously, but we'll use this ram mount to hold you for a second. These rubber gaskets do not cooperate very well. Oh, there it is. Let me bring y'all over here real quick like. Alright, here we go. So basically it plugs in to where the servo would normally connect. And then all you do is, I don't know if this lights up, probably not, but basically what should happen is if I turn this on, that's plugged in now, so make ourselves deaf real quick. I tell you, this bike is super fucking light now. Super loud. Alright, that's basically it. That's all you have to do. You plug this in and that's it. That is basically it. And all you do is just put it back in here and then go ahead and take this and put this right here. And then take this, put this right here. There we go. That's it. Anyways, super easy install. I mean, you literally just, that's it. You don't have to do anything else to it. So, super, super easy. Anyways, I'll see y'all in the next one.